It's not bad right now. It looks pretty good outside, but appears it's going to be bad. Well, I'm packaging up the knives, getting ready to ship them back to Pennsylvania to that lady. Man, they cleaned up nice. Look like brand spanking new Hinkles. Compared to what they did look like. I didn't think it would be too hard. Gas at the Wawa is still 179.9 at this Wawa. And I need some gas. I'm kind of bleak. But I ain't paying 179. I know it's cheaper down the street. We'll see how it goes. We're on our way to pick up a big tree loper. One of them long 12-foot long ones with a 6-foot extension. 6 foot with a 6-foot extension, I guess is the correct thing. I'll get back to you. GoPro, stop video. This Wawa is 173, the other one's 179. So I saved a few pennies today, so far. I'm guessing $16.74. $16.74. Here's the loper thing that guy I picked up. You can see it's one of them big long tree lopers. He's got a big nick right there. He's got two nicks actually. The minor job. This is what my afternoon consists of. Every day since 2009. If it ain't blowing, raining, or snowing hard. Circuit Strange Jack and his new companion, the Indian. She has her balls and her rope. This is her favorite thing right here, this rope. We tugged the rope. Oh, shut up. Spoiled. And we throw balls every day. Only Big O Jack. So that's what I live for in the afternoon. I get my ball and I start barking. It's time to go outside. And the Indian has these big squeaky balls. And her favorite rope. I get tugged with one arm and I throw the ball with the other one while she's jerking. That's all I do all afternoon. Every day. Yeah. Oh, shut up. If I don't throw the ball right away, he starts barking. He's spoiled. Don't you, Big O Jack? I bounce him off the house. He catches them. I bounce him in the grass. He catches them. I throw him in the air. He catches them. Every single day. What do you think, India? You're India. Yes, you are. You ready? You wanna tug? Now, if I don't throw the rope, watch her. She likes to catch it. Chase it, I mean. Okay, that's enough. I did do all the hatchets that lady brought me, except for the two that Eddie's got. I polished them all up and sharpened them. That's compound right there that'll come off. This is a roofer's hatchet. These are the two tomahawk looking things. And she had 3 of these Eastwoods. That's the one that's their main tossing axe at that tribal place. And then she had this, what she called a fireman's axe. Eddie looked at it since he was a fireman. He's got a bunch of old antique fire axes, but he says it's not a fire axe. Fire axe got a point on them. He said, this is probably a belt axe or something like that that somebody had. Okay. Got this coming in tomorrow. I call it a sickle, but some people call it a scythe. Big, tall grass cutter, you know, manual operated by human. I also got 2 pair of scissors and 8 kitchen knives that I know of over by Eddie's house. He might have them 2 hatchets ready, so I might be able to kill 2 birds with 1 stone. We'll see how it goes. I'll see you tomorrow. Rice. Shallots. Flounder going in there. Uh-huh. Green beans? Green beans going in there. Mmm. Well, there it is. All ready to go. String beans, rice, and flounder. And boo-boo. And got a little Indian. Boo-boo says, where's mine at? Jack got mine. Indian got hers. And the hell is mine at? I feel like an orphan. Earlier we talked about gas when we were going down the road. I got some stuff I need to share with you here. Charlie Prep says in Knoxville, Tennessee, gas is $1.57. That was 1 day ago. 10L Bull says in Asheboro, North Carolina, it was 137.9. Howard Schultz from Michigan said it's 98 cents a gallon in Michigan. Good googa mooga. On the news, the reason I'm bringing this up, on the news tonight is that Michigan had the lowest gas prices ever since the 1990s. And I'm paying $1.73. I feel like I'm getting robbed. And I am, to a minor degree. Okay, that's it. I'll see you tomorrow.